How do you measure sound absorption in spaces with discontinuous ceilings? For example, where clouds, canopies, baffles or blades are installed. All sound absorption is measured in Sabin. Sabin is even the root measurement for NRC. But you most often hear the term Sabin to report acoustics for freestanding elements. They absorb sound from all sides, so instead of measuring the sound absorbed by a single surface, like a ceiling panel in a wall-to-wall installation, the total amount of sound absorbed on all sides is measured in Sabins. As you're trying to select the most appropriate materials for your open space, a higher level of sound absorption will give you better performance by reducing reverberation times.